Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing your footage and project settings so tracking will be reliable. Choose a clip with good lighting and minimal blur, then create a composition at the source resolution and matching frame rate. Once done, duplicate the layer to preserve the original and turn on region of interest to speed previews. Make sure the face stays visible for the full track. This reduces drift and gives the tracker consistent features to lock onto as you begin the next phase. Now you set up the actual face tracking. Select your duplicate layer and open the face tracker or tracker panel. Choose point tracking or the native face tracker depending on your AE version. Place trackers on reliable anatomy, eye corners, nose bridge, mouth corners, because these points give varied motion data. Then set the search region and sensitivity. A tighter box reduces false matches, while a larger one handles fast movement. Click Analyze Forward. Watch tracking markers, and pause to fix any slipping before proceeding. Finish by applying your tracking data to a null object or directly to the layer you want to drive. Parent layers for compositing or export corner pins/motion data for external use. Once applied, smooth noisy keyframes with temporal interpolation and selectively correct frames where the tracker slipped. Render with motion blur for realism. If things go wrong, retrack small segments with adjusted search regions and reapply only that range. This targeted retrack saves time and prevents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.